क्लास नाइन्थ। आज हम सोशल साइंस की वर्कशीट 77 करेंगे जो चैप्टर 4 क्लाइमेट ज्योग्राफी से रिलेटेड है। क्वेश्चन 1 to 5 आर वेरी शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन इज एक्सट्रैक्ट बेस्ड क्वेश्चन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 and 8 is not more than 80 words and question number 9 and 10 in detail between 80 to 100 words। तो हम स्टार्ट करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से। व्हाट डज क्लाइमेट मीन? सो आंसर नंबर 1 इज climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. Now, question number 2. By which name the wind blowing in the northern plains in summer is known as? So, answer number 2 is the wind blowing in the northern plains in summer is known as लू। लू जो होती है वो क्या होती है? दीज आर द स्ट्रॉन्ग गस्टी हॉट ड्राई विंड्स blowing during the day over the north and northwestern India. Now, question number 3. In which month Chennai receives maximum rainfall? So, answer number 3 is in October and November. Now, question number 4. Which branch of monsoon causes rainfall in Delhi? So, answer number 4 is Delhi generally receives the monsoon showers from the Bay of Bengal branch by the end of June. Tentative date is 29th of June. Now question number 5. Write the name of any two areas of India which receive annual rainfall more than 400 centimeter. So answer number 5. Mawsynram and Cherrapunji in Meghalaya are the two regions of India which receive more than 400 centimeter of rainfall annually. Now, question number 6. Read the following extract and answer the given questions. The months of October, November form a transition from hot rainy season to dry winter conditions. The retreat of the monsoon is marked by clear skies and rise in temperature. While the temperatures are high, nights are cool and pleasant. The land is still moist. Owing to the condition of high temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive during the day. This is commonly known as October heat. Now question is, why do we not like October heat? So answer is owing to the condition of high temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather oppressive during the day. Now second question. Which kind of changes occur in the weather during the months of October and November? So answer number 2 is, or question number 6, hot rainy season to dry winter condition, clear skies and rise in temperature and high humidity. So these are the changes occur in the month during the months of October and November. Now question number 7. Compare the rainfall of Mumbai and Chennai and give reasons of their difference. So answer number 7 is, first, Chennai. Chennai is the city which receives the most maximum of its rainfall from the northeast monsoon breezes. This region receives rainfall in the period between mid-October to mid-December. Sometimes the city is hit by the cyclones in the Bay of Bengal. On the other hand, Mumbai is a city which receives rainfall in the period between June and September. The city gets rain from the southwest monsoon. The region receives pre-monsoon shower in the month of May. Now question number 8. What are the differences between weather and climate? Write any 3 differences. So answer number 8 is weather is a short-term atmospheric condition and climate is a long-term atmospheric condition. Second, the weather is affected by changes in atmospheric conditions. The climate is affected by observation of changes in atmospheric condition for a long time. Third, it has little effect on the occupation of the people, agriculture, industries, transport. Climate, it has a deep effect on agriculture, industries and transport, etc. Now question number 9. Which factors affect the weather of Delhi? So answer number 9 is elements affecting the climate are latitude, altitude, pressure and winds, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief feature. So Delhi lies in the landlocked northern plains of the Indian subcontinent. Its climate is affected by its proximity to the Himalayas and the Thar Desert, causing it to experience both weather extremes. Delhi's proximity to the Thar Desert result in hot and dry continental wind called Lu. Two important wind patterns influencing Delhi's climate are the western disturbances and the southwest winds. Now question number 10. How the distance from sea can affect the climate of a place? Give 2 examples. So answer number 10 is the sea exerts a moderating influence on climate. As the distance from the sea increases, its moderating influence decreases, that is, place experience hot and dry climate. If a place is nearby the sea, then the place is to be moderate and humid. For example, Delhi. Delhi is away from the sea, so it's hot and dry. Whereas Mumbai is near the sea coast, so it's moderate and humid. So that's all in your worksheet 77.